Hello all, welcome back to another exciting day in the markets. It's Elvis from ElvisUptownBlogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today is December the 12th, 2011. And as always, to get the same watch list used in the videos, simply visit the blog in the morning. The watch list is posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. right here. And to keep up to date with the blog posts, use the subscribe buttons here. I am on Facebook. All you gotta do is like the fan page and you'll get status updates. Also, if you guys have any questions, click the contact button and I will get back to you. And last but not least, the trading system currently is still half price. It will expire on January 1st, so take advantage if you are interested. Anyway, currently the market is gapping down. Not by that much. Well, actually, it is a pretty decent gap down there. 1%. Almost. So I'll be back when the market opens up. Alright, there we go. Market's going to open up here. And the market's open. I will be back some trades for you guys. Alright, just got short this ALTR. Short through the 5-minute range. Looks like it might break the whole number here. Get a little scalp on it. Alright, just short a little bit more. So the average right now is 35.03. Just looking for a little more on this. Alright, just covered it out there. 19 cents. I had 1,600 shares, about 10 cents or so. See, it pops right back up basically. You got to be quick in the morning taking these range trades. So the 15-minute range is gonna print pretty soon. So we'll look for some 15-minute range breakouts. So Netflix just broke out. I'm not gonna trade it though. A lot of wicks in the morning. Wow, and the Netflix exploded. Explosion there. It's a big move. Almost a point. Alright, just got a little bit of this, just a tier 1 SPY. There was a buy signal printed, but on a negative tick reading. Just going to give it a shot though, stay real small. Got the stop as a penny below the low at 38. So not risking much here and got tiny size. I'll look to take profit at 64 cents. Alright, just took it off here. We got a 10 or 15 cents out of it and came back through the 50 cent number, so just got out of it. Now this DD printed a sell signal here. It's a pretty good one. So got short from 24 cents. Alright, just got short a little more, got a little bit of a better average. So short my full size basically. Could have had a way better price on this. Could have had 39. We're starting to get some acceleration here to the downside. I got an order out at just a little bit above the low. We got 15 cents so far. So I got an order out, 1,400 shares at 44.08. So we're pretty much right there. Alright, just covered it out there. So got a pretty nice trade on that. This might even go lower, but just took mine. And there it just got cracked. Might look to short this rig here. Just gonna short a little rig. Short from 72. Give it to 88. So just short 400 shares. You know, we're just shorted more. Short from averages now. 74. Same stop, 88. starting to see some acceleration to the downside here, so looking for this to break down. Yeah, kind of wish I held on to that DD. Had some nice size on that, and flushed down to 44.02. And some continued selling pressure on the SPY, so this rig trade looks better and better. So you'll probably get a flush down to the lows, so looking to cover around in the 50s. Also kind of got this wedge pattern on rig, so if it breaks this lower trend line, you get a nice little flush. Alright, actually just got stopped out of the rig. So lost 14 cents on that. Could have probably traded it just a little bit differently and maybe would have been a flat trade. I guess I got a little excited. Our next trade here is short this BHP. It's a nice little flag. Short from 96, plus it broke the whole number. Should probably get down to about 75. Alright, covered out of the BHP. It's just kind of moving too slow for me. Got down to 83. Got filled at 89 cents, so not that much there. We're watching Netflix here. Nice bull flag. Just waiting for this candle to close here above this little downward sloping trend line. So we're kind of waiting for it just to close above this trend line. Should be okay to buy. Alright, starting to accelerate to the upside. Just bought a little bit, 400 shares. It's probably going to get a little bit more. I think there's a takeover chatter that just came out, just hearing it on the news. Some might lift off here. It's just takeover chatter. They haven't named the price yet, but biggest volume spike of the day right there. Alright, picked up more, got a pretty good average, kind of full size here, 1,300 shares, 41 average. Alright, here it's starting to go here. I think if it gets through this high, should get to the whole number. Alright, just printed through the high. Got an order out at 95 cents. Pretty much right there. And it's not filling. That's actually the high printed. I'm gonna get out to sell. This is still a nice trade there. About 40 cents. And there it goes. It hit that whole number and plus some. Would have been a better trade there. Wow, there it goes. Too bad I don't have it. Could get halted though, so can't really know for sure what's gonna happen. Yeah, I was just hearing about it as saying it's $90 a share, so did not see that. I just heard it. It's Amazon's the interested buyer. Man, this rig looks pretty interesting. It's pretty tight. It's tight this morning too in this area. I think I called it out as a wedge and broke to the downside here. I missed that. Looking for it to kind of close above this downward sloping trend line and get in there. Try to draw my line in. It's a little bit sloppy. And we're just gonna buy a little bit here. Got 400 shares at 82. I'll give it to 71. Just on this bar here. Putting my stop loss out. Got small shares. Netflix still going here. I had it at around here, 72s. Is that? It's crazy. 74. Alright, and this rig still couldn't close above this downward sloping trend line. I'm gonna hold on to it till I get stopped out though. And you know what? Rig actually printed a sell here. It's not really one of the best signals, but with the market coming in, I'll probably take anything short. This is short from 69 cents and basically giving it 10 cents. What is it? 80, 83. A little bit more than that. 14 cents, 13 cents. So I'll update you guys here. Wow, Netflix still going. This thing is crazy. Can't trade it from here though. You don't really know what to do. There's no price levels or anything. We had this breakout and that was it. Just went off. So it was Amazon buying Netflix for $90. That's the takeover rumor. I got short more rig here. Got full size. My average is basically the same. Same stop. Liking it a little bit better with this pattern. Alright, looks like it's starting to work here. Really small range on it so far today, 44 cents. And compared to Friday it had a nice range. 43.63, 41.61. So today's range is peanuts compared to that. And this Netflix printed sell here on a negative tick. Wanted to get short just a little bit at the whole number. Kind of have the chance now. Just get 100 shares or so. See if I can maybe get a better price here. Maybe 45. It's not happening. This thing's a wild one today. A slow trade on this rig here. Alright, just shorted small FCX on this sell signal here. It's a good one, but don't really kind of max out on the BP. Stop to 59 cents. So we're risking 9 cents here. Alright, got up 10 cents on the rig finally. So putting a break-even stop on that. Our rig is starting to accelerate here. I changed my order. Gonna cover everything at 51. That's where I want to cover. I got filled on that. Alright, not sure if I recorded that last trade. But I was short this BHP here from the sell signal. And then what happened is, well, basically I look back. This is the price level here, 64. My stop was at 65, short from 50. And as you can see, we got a pretty decent move, about a quarter point down. Got actually more than that. Short from 50, came down to 22. That's 28 cents to play around with. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit up the watch list in the morning. The daily watch list posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m.